Hello. Welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. So I have been downstairs, and I have indeed acquired
That was easy.
the cartridge to test the 64. So I'll unplug the joystick. Oh no. You are not allowed to fall down light. Why?
That was easy.
Oh dear, that was not easy. Okay. What? How is it that in 3 seconds something can become so bloody intertwined? Sit there, joystick. Okay. So, as I do with these things, I'm going to unplug the keyboard. That will not be helpful in this endeavor. Stop. Okay, keyboard out. Pick up the 64. Put it upright. This Weasley thing. It's got to go in. Ooh, that's coming off. Okay, now I do sense that the board is trying to shift a bit. Okay, we have good contact. Because, of course, I took some screws out. Well, not all of them, just the ones to get the shield off, which is indeed most of them, but not all of them. Well, has this cup flipped around? I guess it has. How did that happen? Alright, joystick ports going in. Ay. We have this thingy wingy dingy marked up. Serial port connector. We're going in. Cartridge. We're going in. Okay, now I'm going to pick this whole monstrosity up into the air, I think. Okay, video cable has got a bit of stress on it because of other things. So we'll pull that out, we'll pull that through, we'll get it all yummy. And we'll set that just like that. And we'll grab this old power supply that's been cut off and we'll plunk it right there. What is that, Joe? That's the power supply cable. We want this to be flat on the table on the end as much as possible. Move that into position. Maybe we'll take this other power supply that is also screwed and needs to be cleansed before even well, let's see if it even doesn't get just tossed. But as it's never going to be used again, I could just throw it in with the dishes, I suppose. Okay, so everything is in, everything is fine, monitor is on. Let's get some power. And there we have the 64 Diagnostics. It's funny, because as I lean forward and then I go back, it looks much different on there. Anyway, we'll just see what this says. I have more faith that this, first of all, that it's going to come up fine. I do want to hear the SID chip in all its voices. I do. I do indeed. And here should come the SID chip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. A good SID chip. And look at that. Not an error to be found. Indeed. So, assembly 250 466 1986 Commodore International Commodore 64. Copyright, of course. Made in Hong Kong. Calyx C. I don't know what else. There's other little things in here, but not much. Anyway, lovely board. Lovely, 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 lovely board. Short G PAL. Open I. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, there's ways to convert this to PAL. They're even written on the board in little tiny letters. But I don't need to do that. Anyway, I wish that their things were socketed, but they're not. It's funny, when I look at the board here, there's even a socket that's empty. Not a socket, a place where a chip would be that's empty, that I guess they decided, no, we don't need that. But that is how they continued to reduce the cost, by finding things that they could be rid of. To have the same thing, do it in a different, more efficient way. They did. Lovely. Anyway, lovely, lovely, lovely. Well, I do need to look at more. There we go. Maybe I'll turn that down a bit. I need to look at, I need to get back to the 1571s. And, yeah, and I lost a little spit cover for this microphone. I don't know how. I will look around. It's like just a little, and it doesn't really matter. No, it really doesn't. But it's like, oh no, I've lost it. Oh no. Oh well. Things happen. I did take the disc downstairs that I was going to take downstairs. I haven't done anything down there yet because it's been a long day and I've done a lot of recording. And this is just dandy. Now, oh yes, the 1541. You know what? I'm going to leave this. I'm going to turn off the lights, turn off the monitor, and leave this to burn in, as they say. Actually, there used to be a sticker. You'd see that it said Westchester Burn In. And I don't see anything on here like that. There's other funny stickers, probably QC Pass. It's probably a substitute for the Westchester Burn In. I'm sure they did a burn in of some sort. Let's see. Anyway, so the heat can rise, and it can sit here, and I don't need to worry about it falling down. So, and it also gives a chance for this power supply that I tested with this power supply tester. Remember, I will have this at the World of Commodore. Look at the back. It's even got a Commodore logo. To test power supplies. So bring your power supplies that you don't trust, and we'll see how many cords get snipped. We will see. Anyway, this seems to be going well. Let's see, is there anything else that I can do here at this moment in time? And I think the answer may be no, not really. Not really. So, I'll let this do its thing. Oop, usually takes 2 presses to turn that off. And that's all I have to say about that. So thanks for coming. I do try not to have more things follow me home. But, well, mostly it goes well. Sometimes it doesn't, but when it doesn't go well, it goes well. Anyway, World of Commodore, December 2nd and 3rd, 2023, the Admiral INN in Mississauga, Ontario. See you there. Bye for now.